Welcome to the tutorial on the payroll feature of Zenintranet. With this feature, you will be able to generate itemized payslips for your employees. To access this feature, simply click on Settings in the top right-hand corner and click on Admin Settings. Following which, click on the payroll icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. Here, you will see the admin dashboard for the payroll feature. Under payroll permissions, as an administrator, you are automatically entitled to manage the payroll within your company. If necessary, allow someone else within the company to manage the payroll by checking on the respective white box. If you did make changes to the permissions, remember to click Save when you are done. Moving on to the payroll additions, these are different allowances or items that are added to your employee's payroll. What you see is a typical list of items that are given by RAS. These payroll additions are taxable by RAS and are also CPF payable. However, if there are items that are not included here, you can click on the Add Payroll Addition button and include them to the list. This is similar for the payroll deductions, where you'll be able to add items like unpaid leave to deduct money from your employee's payroll. After you're done setting these up, you can now proceed to fill up the company and employee information. You can do so by clicking on Payroll and then Company in the drop-down menu. Here you'll see a company information form that is mandatory by RAS. Fill in the respective fields and click Save Details. Moving on to the next tab of Manage Employees, as part of the onboarding process, you need to enter the respective information of all the employees within your company. You can do so by clicking on the Add New Employee button. Once in this page, click on User, and a drop-down menu will have a list of employees that have been populated from the directory. Click on a specific user, fill in the respective information and click Save Employee. Now to generate the payroll, you will have to click on the Process tab. Here you have to go through 5 different processes to get the payroll processed. First, you have to specify which month are you processing the payroll for, and then select the respective employees that have been involved within that month, and also include the respective overtime hours if applicable, and of course adjust for payroll additions as well as payroll deductions. Once you're sure about the information that have been included here, click Save and the payroll will be generated. Now you can go under My Payslips to look at your payslip for the month. This is also the only tab that will be made available to your employees. Furthermore, you and your employees will be able to click Download to download the file and save it for your personal purposes. For the last and final tab, which is the History tab, you will be able to view the different payrolls that have been generated for the different months in the past. For instance, for August 2015, you will be able to view it and look at the different payrolls for the different employees. This concludes the end of the tutorial for the Zenintranet payroll feature. Don't forget to check out other features like leave management and claims that are also free to use.